How you doing? My name is Mike, I'm with ONYX Motorbikes, and I'm going to show you the options that you can put on your RCR. To my left is a silver panel standard RCR. It's got street tires and it's perfect for city riding or whatever uses you might have it for. On my right is a dirt kit shorty RCR. The shorty you can apply to either a standard or a dirt kit, either way. And with the dirt kit you get dirt tires as opposed to the street, as well as a front rear fender, headlight grille, fork dust covers, and a rear rack for storage. In addition to that, on whichever bike you choose, you can put black panels as opposed to the standard silver, and you can put indicators. Turn signals allow you to be much safer on the road, and I'll suggest them for anybody. Height is variable, dirt versus street is variable. Whatever option of the dirt kit you want to put on your bike, we'll put it on for you. Just let us know. Questions, comments, leave them below. Hope this video was helpful.